Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience in the same field. And today in this video, I'm gonna review Masai School digital marketing program. It is delivered in partnership with IIMs and taught using a pay after placement model as well. So I will break it down across 10 key factors like the curriculum and the placements and the fee as well. So basically, let's first talk about the digital marketing because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, etc. And beyond the technical skills, companies, while hiring you, will look at your communication, analytical ability, creativity, and of course, your portfolio, right? So if I talk about the especially ad agencies, they love creative minds. So any coach should not only teach you the tools, but they should help you in building your mindset. So the outcome is you don't need to know everything. You just need to be clear at one or two focused areas and you're good to go. Now, if I come to the Masai School digital marketing program, so basically it is a master digital marketing program and they're claiming as India's leading outcome focused program, right? Also, the course I personally trust and recommend is linked in my description box. You can definitely give it a chance and check it out. Now I'm coming to the key highlights of this course. So basically, they are providing a comprehensive curriculum, which we'll gonna talk about later. And they are even providing the personal one-to-one mentorship, and they are even providing the real projects and the real impact, simulated learning. So let's talk about them one by one. I'm coming to the curriculum section. So let's check what they are providing in their module one. So they are providing marketing fundamentals, introduction to digital marketing, website elements, and the UX designs. They are even providing you the AI tools, which is ChatGPT, prompt engineering, AI applications in marketing. So these are the tools which are like industry needs currently. And in the module two, they are providing SEO, SEO advanced, and the PPC fundamentals, etc. And the module three, they are covering email marketing, mobile marketing strategies, CRO, and digital marketing strategy planning. So they are even providing with the AB and the multivariate. In the module four, they are covering social media marketing, content marketing, chat GPT, and the AI for the marketers. They are covering some advanced modules here for the hands-on experience on the AI tools like content creation, SEO tools, and the ad copy. And in the capstone projects, they are covering the case studies, analysis, and the career preparation, resume interviews, and the mock interviews preparation. So it is the module is overall nice, and they are even covering like the uh, overall nice. And the curriculum is structured in a sprint style and the hands-on format, and it is also updated for the today's industry needs. So it is overall good to go. Let's talk about the pay after placement model in which you apply at zero cost, and then if you got a job of 3.5 LP or more, then after the according to your salary you would have to pay their fees. And the admission process is simple. You would have to register for yourself, and then you would go for an entrance test in which you will pay 99 rupees. After the selection, after the clearance of the entrance test, then you will be get selected, and then you can enroll for the course, right? I'm coming ahead to their trainers profile. Basically, their trainers includes IIM professors and the industry experts. He is Vivek Shah, which is an ex of Hotstar and the upgrad. The profile of the trainer is not publicly mentioned. It can be a negative point here. If I come to the hands-on projects and all, so let's find it here, what they have mentioned in their website. They have not mentioned so much in detail on their website, so let's download their brochure and check what they are providing actually. Coming to their brochure section now. They have mentioned 5,000 plus hiring partners here, means you will have a good job opportunities there after enrolling this course because they have Uber, Paytm, Ola, and these are top brands in the industry. Now, this is the fee structure of the digital marketing course. If you get a job below 3.5 LPA, then you would have to pay nothing. But if you get a job of 3.5 LPA and above, then you would pay 1.5 lakh to them. If you get a job above 5 lakh or the like in the range of 5 to 10 lakh, then you would have to pay them 2 lakh rupees. After like this is the fee structure of this course. The admission is clear to all of you. Let's go to the certification part, which is not mentioned even in the brochure and on their website. So it's a weaker point here because they have not given a full transparency. Even they have not provided any of the brands or the case studies mentioned on their website. But the only positive point here is that you are it is offering you a guaranteed interview opportunities under resume preparation and the mentorship under the ISA model. So it is somewhere good to go. Basically, now we can check their reviews as well. I'm coming to the Glassdoor to check their reviews. They are being rated as 3.9 on the Glassdoor. Let's check what people have written about them. So the reviews are neither very good or neither very negative. It's a balanced course, but due to the transparency, I would not recommend it much. You can just go and check or get a counseling call to get the transparency, and you will be better clear. Now I'm coming to my honest verdict. I'm coming to my honest verdict, and I will give this course a rating on based of the 10 parameters. So basically, if I talk about the course curriculum and relevance, it is quite good and covering every advanced module. So I would rate it 1. And in the certificate and recognition, so basically they are not covering any certificates on their website or the brochure. I will give it 0.5, even 0, because they have not mentioned anything on their website, and the mode of learning is completely online. So it is an optional, like for the working professional it is quite good. I will give it 1, but the LMS access is not there, so I will give it 0.5. The trainer's expertise and the industry experience is good, but they have not publicly mentioned the links of their profile. So I will give it 0.5. And in the knowledge of tools and access, the tools and the AI tools are good, but they have not mentioned the brands and all. But the tools are even good, so I will give it 1. And the placement support and the career guidance is good because they are giving you a chance to get a job and then pay. So I will give it 1 because it's a trustworthy process. And the course duration and the fee structure is good, but even they are giving you a chance to pay after the placement. So 99 is the fee test fees. You can give it a chance. I will give it 1. After course support is I'm not aware of because it can be positive or it can be negative. I will give it 0.5. And if we go to the reviews and the reputation of institute, it is so average. I will give it 1. And in the hands-on learning and the practical exposure, it is somewhere lacking the you know so they are including the AI and the trending topics, but they have not mentioned the brands for the case studies and all. I will give it 0.5. Now the total becomes 7 out of 10. So it's an average rating, and Masai Digital Marketing Program is a strong choice if you want no upfront fee, IM certifications you want, and structured entry level training. It's good. But if you are seeking in-depth learning and the transparent mentorship and the top tier job support, this might be not the strongest fit. Now, if you want a program that is built around the guaranteed outcomes and the advanced campaign tools and the placement success, then check out the link I've added in my description box. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. And if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section. I will reply one by one. Till then, I will see you in the next video with the next topic. Thanks for watching.